Hello. Good news for people who live and dwell in the world of Commodore. It does seem that it is coming soon. The first weekend in December at the Admiral INN, which is close to Toronto, the Toronto Pet Users Group, the longest running, oldest Commodore computer club in the world, will be holding once again the World of Commodore. It is always an epic event, and you'll be able to see. Well, I suspect I'll be there. Look, I don't know if I can get my brother to come, but if you look here, here is an issue of the December 1984 T-Pug magazine. That is my brother and I on the front. We have been working hard to kind of recreate that picture. We have. Anyway, the World of Commodore. First weekend in December, just a little bit west of Toronto at the Admiral INN. Go to T-Pug. I believe it's tpug.ca. There's all kinds of ways. Just Google T-Pug. We're also, it's on Facebook, Discord, all kinds of places, all kinds of things. Just hunt for T-Pug or Toronto Pet Users Group, and details will soon be available if they're not already. So, thanks for your moment of time, and we look forward to seeing you at the World of Commodore. And I'm trying to think, oh, you know what? I have another thing here. A second. Look, this is from the World of Commodore. I can't even see. There, I can see. It was 25 years of Commodore in 1983. So this shirt is 40 years old. My golly. Anyway, I should keep penny away from it and run it through the wash one more time. Anyway, this was celebrating the 25th anniversary of Commodore, which was indeed now 65 years ago. Can you imagine? All right, I must go to the laundry. Bye for now.